Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a very short and honest review about this powerful website called Pinup Builder. Pinup Builder, you want to make things easy with the drag and drop. So that's how it works. You pick elements, you put them where you want. It's visual. You can change right away. It's good for building landing page or simple website. Once control, Pinup Builder give it to you. And here the key benefit about this platform, it's a simple website creation tools for basic drag and drop and easy to understand with quick website generation. And here's the pricing tag for the website. They offer free pricing plan, which is the basic, the free and basic and the grow. So if you want more about this, just go to the website, get access to the pricing plan for the website. And talking about the pros and cons, it's very easy to use, quick website creation, straightforward, and basic drag and drop tools, which is one of the best elements. And there's the downside: limited customization with lack advanced and a simple basic template. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful website.